Welcome back to Putting Tech to the Test. My name is Ricardo Fernandez, and today we have two fantastic Kensington docking solutions for you. This is the SD4880P, and this is the SD1700P. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into this unboxing. Let's start with the Kensington SD1700P. This is a USB-C portable mobile dock, and the standout feature is that it has a built-in Qi wireless charging. As you can see right there, that white little square, you can place your phone, earbuds on there, and it can charge wirelessly. With one USB-C connection, the SD1700P can support dual 4K video, up to 100 watts of power, wireless Qi phone charging up to 10 watts, extra USB connectivity, and Ethernet. For video, the SD1700P supports up to dual 4K and 60 Hz. On the front, you have two USB-A 3.2 ports, and on the back, one USB-C 3.2, and a toggle switch that lets you switch between dock and Qi charging functionality when you're in bus powered mode. Upon using this and my first impressions, this is going to be a great travel docking station if you have multiple ports you're planning on plugging into for trips, or if you're a hybrid worker. You have your two HDMI ports, your Ethernet port on the back, and everything you need for your peripherals, mouse, keyboard, headset. So this is great for all of those who do traveling, work in multiple office places or hoteling stations, and personally one of my favorites. Now the SD4880P. This is a much bigger workstation-style dock. Kensington describes it as a USB-C 10GB quad video 17-in-1 driverless dock. This dock supports Thunderbolt 4, Thunderbolt 3, USB 4, and USB-C alt mode. I mean, look at all the ports on this thing. This is going to be great for those using multiple monitors, perhaps in the finance verticals, engineering verticals, and this is something that's going to stay at your desk. It has a heavy power source, connects multiple cables. This is going to be in one place to ensure you have all the connections you need to get your work done efficiently. This dock supports up to 4 external monitors, which is the big headline feature. For advanced users with premium laptops, it can support up to a single 8K at 30 Hz display, dual 4K at 60 Hz, triple 4K at 30 Hz, or quad 4K at 30 Hz. Another useful feature is that the SD4880P can keep charging connected accessories even when the host laptop is not connected, thanks to its plug-and-play charge functionality. It also has a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, which gives you a faster wired network option, plus the SD card slot for fast transfers, which is helpful for photo, video, and content workflows. Overall, the SD1700 is going to be that portable, reliable go-to solution, whereas if I need something to stay at my desk and make sure I have everything I need in one place, it's going to go to the SD4880. Thank you all so much for watching. Again, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.